beautiful day.
Mom, will you help me gear up so I stay nice and warm?
Let's do some girl. 1 paw, 2 paw, 3 paw, and 4. Right to the box. Yeah, okay. I got you. Just like a little baby. Then we gotta keep it in nice and warm, so we gotta do a little hot situation, like boop, and a little Velcro, like boop, and they're all ready. He's so cute. Look at the face. Okay, are you ready? You need to be in the middle. Hold on tight.
And Wolfie, Mom, did you hear the new Beyoncé song?
No, how does it go?
This ain't Texas. Woo! Ain't no hold 'em. Hey! So lay your cards down, 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 down. So park your Lexus, woo, and throw your keys up. Hey, stick around, round, round, round. Stick around.
Oh, I like it. It has a nice ring to it.
I can't believe Beyonce went country.
Well, there are a lot of things happening in the world right now that are hard to believe.
Oh, like what?
How about we stick to having fun today?
Okay, fun it is. The sun feels so good on my face. Again, Mom. Again, Mom.
Okay, Harley.